this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get all 7 map pieces here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, all of these pieces actually drop from bosses, and there's certain bosses that you're going to want to go ahead and take out. I recommend starting on Boss Island, and you need to fight bosses like the Knight, Kenshi, of course, Soul Reaper, King of Heroes. These can drop a piece each. However, once you get a piece from one of them, for example, like if I take out, Excalibur and get a piece right, it's not going to drop again. So just keep that in mind. You need to go ahead and farm different bosses for every single individual piece. Once you go ahead and take out some of those bosses and you notice that you get a map piece, what you're going to want to do is go to Slime Island next. So make your way over to Slime Island. And then, of course, you need to defeat the slime boss for another piece. And once again, you're going to need like slime keys to spawn this guy in. It's a little bit of a grind, but whatever. Spawn in the slime boss, take him out, get that piece. Once you have that, you need to make your way to Shibuya Station and fight bosses like Gojo for another job. Sukuna as well. Stuff like that. You guys got to take all of these guys out. So make sure that you do that whenever you have the opportunity to. And then finally go to the area with Solo Hunter and the Vampire King and take out those bosses as well. And that is how you can get all of the map fragments. Once you have that, you can make your way back over to the World Island and you can go ahead and move on to the next step of the quest. But that is it. Farm all those bosses continuously and you guys will get it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.